Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2014 Ford Fusion, and if you're looking for a really spacious, comfortable car that has heated seats and more, then you're going to want to check this out. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gray exterior color. You have your Ford badge right above your chromed out grille right there, and you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below. This has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, so you know it has that efficiency. And then looking down at your wheels, you have that blacked out design right there. And then you have your side mirrors with the indicator lights on them. They are powered and heated, and you have corner mirrors so you can see easier into your blind spot with keyless entry and a touchscreen number keypad on your driver's side. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these tan leather seats. They are heated, super comfortable, have that ribbing in the middle there, and they are power adjustable with memory settings on your driver's side. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls there with paddle shifters on the back. Then looking over at your media center, all your options are easily accessible. You have your radio right there, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM if you choose to. You can also listen to your own devices with your media stuff right there, and you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. And then you have all of your other media controls right there, CD insert, climate controls, and then there are your heated buttons right there. Have a 12-volt down there. Love how you have the space. You can put your purse or your wallet in there, charge your phone up. You have all of this brought to you by Microsoft Sync, and then you have 2 cup holders in the middle with a center console with an aux port and a USB port. So let's take a look at the back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest with 2 cup holders, and there's a 12-volt down by the floor. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps and your EcoBoost badging, along with your rear sensing systems. This will alert you to any objects behind your vehicle, so before you back up, you'll know. And then this does have a power trunk on your key fob with lots of room inside back there. So overall, love this vehicle, really comfortable inside, just feels luxurious. You also have that amazing media center and those heated seats. So if you want to see this Ford or any of our other sedans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.